Hi viewers, I am Shirzamon.
And I am Sarah and hope you are all well safe and sound.
Viewers, in this channel iPhone Glob I am showing you the videos to up-to-date you.
And wants you to educate you about new incoming mobiles.
Let's watch this video about 2018 iPhone final design.
Around the 11th of September, Apple is expected to announce a whole new range of products that is said to include everything from updated AirPods and new iPad Pro models to the Apple Watch Series 4 and, of course, the 2018 iPhone lineup. And, with little over a month to go before the event, new dummy models have appeared online showcasing the design of two new iPhone models. Kicking things off with the larger offering, the 6.5-inch iPhone X Plus looks essentially identical to last year's iPhone X, the only difference being the sheer size of the new model. This means the glass build and stainless steel frame will be making a return alongside the vertical camera module, which acts as the home to two cameras and a dual-tone LED flash. Also, the dummy model in question confirms that the same button layout will be kept. Because of this, the left side will include a ring and silent switch and separate volume up and down buttons, while the right side will feature an elongated home button which doubles as a shortcut for Siri. Switching over to the smaller 6.1-inch iPhone, this could potentially be sold under the iPhone 2018 branding upon launch and will act as the company's cheapest 2018 offering. Much like the new iPhone X and X Plus, this budget model will adopt a new all-screen design, albeit with slightly thicker bezels because of the LCD nature of the display. Moreover, while the glass build will also be retained, the rear dual camera setup seen on the premium offerings has been swapped out for a single rear sensor, thus providing a very iPhone 4-like design. In regards to pricing and release, the premium 2018 iPhone X and X Plus are expected to go on sale by the end of September, but in the case of the 6.1-inch model, production problems have reportedly delayed its release until October. In any case, once all three models are on sale, the updated iPhone X is rumored to start at around $899, while $999 will open up access to the Plus variant. However, those wishing to save a bit of money should be able to get their hands on the budget model for $699. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.